Hello everyone, my name is Philippe Duchesne and I am heading Building Solution Business Unit at Danfoss. I am super happy to be here in ISH and meet all our business partners, customers, and above all talking how together in the industry we can have a positive impact on some of the key issues and challenges societies are facing around energy, around environmental issues, around safety, and it's really exciting. In hydronics, in Danfoss, we have a super exciting agenda because we know that we have all the technologies that are available to really allow us to do a step change in energy efficiency, and aligning with you guys on how to do that, how to use in a clever way, combine existing technologies is really what these meetings here with all our colleagues is about. With very few things to change, very few things enhancement to bring on your secondary loop of the hydronic systems, all the primary loops, whether you're talking about boilers, heat pumps, or even district energy system, will perform far better. And meeting here is about that. So if you like to know more about how, in your project, how in your consulting engineering activities, and when you are advising your customers about what technology to bring in the building, if you want to know how to do a step change in the energy consumption, I would encourage you to visit our website, where a lot of information are gathered, a lot of products are presented, a lot of concepts are described, and you need to go to ish.danfoss.com, and we look forward to see you clicking on that and learning more. See you soon.